Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best stain remover is probably one of the most effective solutions for tackling those unsightly hard water stains that plague our homes. These stubborn marks, often appearing as white or cloudy spots, can make your surfaces look dull and unkempt. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hard water stain removers, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect product to restore your surfaces to their former glory. Number 5. Powerstone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Introducing the Powerstone Pumice Stone, a superior toilet cleaner. This tool is tough on hard water stains and mineral deposits, yet gentle on surfaces, ensuring a fresh and spotless toilet. The Powerstone comes with a practical storage kit. This kit enhances your cleaning routine, outperforming traditional toilet brushes for optimal cleanliness and efficiency. This Pumice Stone redefines cleanliness. It effortlessly removes stubborn marks and grime. Unlike ordinary brushes, it leaves no residue, ensuring a shiny toilet bowl every time. For busy households, the Powerstone offers an ideal cleaning solution. The handle eases stain removal, making it an essential and simple task. The Powerstone is a versatile all-rounder. It's excellent for removing stubborn stains on toilets, sinks, and tiles. Its design makes cleaning easy and effective, leaving a spotless finish. What we like. This Pumice Stone is a champion against hard water stains, effortlessly removing stubborn grime. It comes with a practical storage kit, making it easy to use and store. If you are looking for a powerful yet gentle solution for your toilet, this is the one for you. What people say. They worked great on getting some stains out of my toilets. This removed the stains on the first try. This worked as expected. I was a little nervous it might damage the porcelain, but working carefully it did not, and I was able to remove the stained calcium buildup. Number 4. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Ultimate Cleaning Bundle. This bundle includes everything you need for a sparkling clean home. It features the Pink Stuff paste, multi-purpose spray, bathroom foam spray, and cream cleaner. This is an all-in-one solution for all your cleaning needs. The Pink Stuff is designed to remove tough dirt, grease, and grime. It works effectively on various surfaces, making cleaning quick and easy. It's a powerful cleaner that gets the job done. Use it in your kitchen, bathroom, and even outdoors. It's perfect for countertops, sinks, showers, walls, and BBQs. The Pink Stuff is designed for multiple surfaces. It's safe to use on ceramic, glass, stainless steel, and porcelain. You can trust this product to clean without causing any damage. It's a reliable choice for your home. The miracle formula does the hard work for you, reducing the need for intense scrubbing. You'll achieve professional quality results with less effort. Let it do the work for you. This bundle provides everything you need to keep your home spotless. It eliminates the need for multiple cleaning products. This bundle simplifies your cleaning routine. What we like. This cleaning bundle tackles all your household needs with its multi-purpose formula. It easily removes tough dirt and grime from various surfaces. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for your entire home, this bundle will keep everything sparkling. What people say. I stumbled across the Pink Stuff while watching some FB hoarder cleaning videos. It easily tackled the grease spots in the oven, made a pass with a little warm water and let it sit for about 5 minutes and then scrubbed off using a warm scrub daddy. Within about 1-2 hours I had 2 perfectly clean shower doors that look brand new. Number 3. Rain-X X-Treme Clean Shower Door Cleaner. Introducing Rain-X X-Treme Clean Shower Door Cleaner. This product is specially formulated to tackle those stubborn stains. It will leave your shower doors sparkling clean. This cleaner provides an extreme, deep clean. It effectively removes soap scum, dirt, and hard water buildup. The result is a brilliant shine that you'll love. This cleaner is designed to eliminate calcium, lime stains, and even rust. It's easy to use and provides a thorough clean. It is perfect for keeping your shower doors looking their best. This cleaner is an ideal cleaning prep for Rain-X Shower Door Water Repellent. Using this product first will help the water repellent work even better. It's a great way to maintain your shower doors. This product is specifically designed for use on glass surfaces. It comes in a convenient 12-ounce bottle. Use it to keep your shower doors clean and clear. What we like. This cleaner provides an extreme, deep clean on shower doors, leaving behind a sparkling shine. It is specially formulated to remove soap scum and hard water stains. If you like a streak-free, crystal-clear shower door, you should consider this. What people say. It removed all soap and water stains. Works fantastic to clean my glass shower doors. It is pretty simple and really get it clean in 1 to 2 attempts. Number 2. Bring It On Cleaner, Hard Water Stain Remover. This innovative cleaning solution is designed to tackle hard water stains. It's safe and non-toxic, making it perfect for use around kids and pets. It effectively removes residue from various bathroom surfaces. Bring It On Cleaner utilizes oxygen bleach, a safer alternative to chlorine. It's formulated to remove the toughest stains. This cleaner will leave your shower door, head, and other surfaces spotless. Hard water contains minerals that can cause buildup. This product effectively removes calcium, mineral, and rust stains. It restores your bathroom hardware to its original condition. Bring It On Cleaner isn't just for your bathroom fixtures. It's also great for cleaning tile and grout. With oxygen bleach, it pulls stains from discolored grout lines, leaving your bathroom looking refreshed. Enjoy the fresh mint scent after using Bring It On Cleaner. This non-toxic formula is safe for the environment and your family. Give your bathroom a makeover with this safe and fresh-smelling cleaning solution. What we like. This cleaner is a safe and non-toxic solution for removing hard water stains. It effectively removes calcium, mineral, and rust stains, leaving your bathroom fresh with a mint scent. If you have kids or pets, this is the perfect choice for a safe and effective clean. What people say. This cleaned up the shower doors instantly. Just a wet sponge and apply the solution to the doors and run gently. I've never been able to get hard water stains out completely from my glass shower doors and around faucets until I used this. Everything dissolved fast. Number 1. 2-pack Pumice Toilet Cleaner. Tired of stubborn stains? This Pumice offers a 5x cleaning improvement, making it easier to remove hard water rings and other dirt. It's an efficient tool for your toilet bowl and more. Made with natural pumice stone, it's non-toxic, odorless, and BPA-free. This cleaner is safe for everyone and everything, and it won't scratch surfaces. The handle is made of superior PP material and designed to fit comfortably in your hand. It provides a secure grip, preventing slips, and has a hanging hole for easy storage. Create a clean environment for your whole family. This tool is perfect for cleaning toilets, pools, sinks, and more. It's great for homes, dorms, and offices. Remember to wet it before use. You'll receive a 2-pack of these pumice cleaning stones, each measuring 9.25 x 1.38. We're committed to providing high-quality accessories to ease your housework, with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. This pumice stone offers a 5x cleaning improvement, making it easier to remove stubborn stains. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip and safer cleaning. If you like a tool that is easy to use and effective on various surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. These work, save me $1,000 or more that I would have spent on replacing them. These pumice stone blocks help remove the stone ring that develops in the toilet bowl. IT absolutely does the job, especially for hard water stains. Happy with the product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.